The new soap. Yeah, smell the wrapper. Are you trying to get this soap smell on your body? Good girl. You're gonna smell so good. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Where is it? There it is. Uh-oh, it's too close to the table. Are you gonna move it? It's under your face. Are you washing your face? Yay! Where is it? Where is it? No, don't eat it. Frankie, do you smell all clean? Do you smell all clean? Where is it? Frankie, are you nice and clean? Do you like the smell of soap? Does that smell good? Yes, you're a good girl, Frankie. Mommy loves you.